how to post to the discussion board. So let's say, for instance, in the weekly folders, you come across an assignment such as the discussion post. It's a video one, but you don't have the ability to record video. So you can still do this assignment just by typing it out in 250 words or whatever the instructions ask for. Or it might just be a discussion post where it's traditional. You just have to type. I'd like for you guys to write me something. All you'd have to do is click on the top link here, and that'll take you to the discussion board. You want to hit create thread, and that'll be where you can submit your assignment. You may see other threads here from other students submitted already. You can see what they've said. You might want to respond to them or get some kind of inspiration. So hit create thread, and then this is where your assignment will go. You don't have to worry about putting your name into this assignment because it'll tell me who sent me this work from the system. You can just title it whatever you like. So this is an introduction post, so I just said hi class. And you can start typing right in the box. All that kind of good stuff. If you'd like to add maybe a meme or an image or a GIF, right? You can click on this box. And depending on wherever you have that image, maybe a URL or you have it on your computer, you can go to that link, upload it, and you should have that photo appear right there. You'll see how it's kind of large, so in case you want to change the size of it, I think 300 is pretty good, and then it'll fix itself right there. Go back to general, hit insert, and then you'll have that photo in your response. For whatever instance, if you want to attach something, maybe it's a photo, maybe it's an assignment, maybe you answered it already in a Word document, you don't want to type in the box, you just hit browse my computer again, find that discussion board post, hit open, and then you'll see exactly what it is. From there you can hit submit, and then you can send me this and I can open it up later on as a Word document, or if you want you can finish off your post in the discussion board box. Either way, you want to make sure you hit submit. That way I see your work and you'll see, okay, here's the first post. And if I wanted to read that person's, I would just click on the thread and I could see what they wrote. And if I wanted to reply, I could do so. If I didn't want to, I could just create my own thread and start typing my own answers and just repeat the process from there. Okay, so I hope that clears it up for you guys.